Hello there, folks. Just wanted to say that we have just redone our bathroom, completely gutted it and redone it. And I want to say that one of the absolute highlights is this new toilet by EPLO. Its features are incredible. As you see, the seat just lid raised there for me. Tap on the side. Seat goes up. Seat is warm when you sit on it, which is absolutely delightful. And its wash features are fantastic. The night light in there is amazing. Tap again on the side. Down she goes. It's fantastic. I can't even explain. You can hear. Really not that loud. It's incredible. I can't say enough about it. I never knew you could love a toilet so much. But anyways, this has been a great redo for us, and this has been an absolute fantastic addition. I can't say enough about this EPLO toilet. The lid, the seat, the heat. It has a dryer. The dryer is still, so-so. Need a little bit of toilet paper, but no, love it. Absolutely love it. Can't encourage you enough to go ahead and purchase this toilet. Longevity, I guess that'll be, time will tell. But so far, incredible. Go ahead and buy now. Solid go.
This is the EPLO U8MAX that we recently purchased. As you approach the toilet, it automatically opens. To open the lid, simply step to the right of the toilet. It has a foaming shield that helps protect the toilet and also keeps it clean. You can set it up to automatically fill the foam when you sit down, or you can use the remote control to fill it. The toilet lid and seat will automatically close when you walk away, and then flush.
Seat temperature, water temperature.